It's a glorious day here at Cabinet Joint. I'm Justin, and in today's video, we are going to be talking about some of the capabilities when it comes to designing with tall cabinets, as well as some considerations you should have that'll come into play later as you're building. When it comes to sizing these cabinets, you can get them from 10 inches to 120 inches tall, 9 to 48 inches wide, and 5.5 to 30 inches deep. When choosing the height of your cabinet, there are a couple of key factors you should be thinking about. One is your ceiling height. Are you dealing with 8-foot ceilings, 10-foot ceilings? That plays a factor, as well as the height of your wall cabinets. And that can change too based on your thickness of your countertop, because you need to meet that minimum of 15 inches between the top and the wall cabinet. So all of these factors you need to be thinking about. When a wall cabinet gets shorter, or when a wall cabinet gets raised or grows in height, that will then also affect your cabinet. And these are all things your cabinet coach will catch as he's working along with you, but these are all things that you should be thinking about. Another thing to be thinking about is, will you be utilizing crown molding? If so, what will the size of your crown be? And if you're not using crown, how tight to the ceiling do you want your cabinet to be? If you do want your cabinet to go as close to the ceiling as you can, you're gonna have to utilize another option, such as a loose toe platform, which allows you to build the base or the toe kick loose and then put the cabinet right on top. Or you might have to build your cabinet upright, or you'll have to make some cuts in order to be able to tip your cabinet up all the way. Those will all come into play later, but the sooner you think about it, the smoother your assembly and installation will go later on. I hope you found this quick little video helpful. As always, please be in communications with your cabinet coach, as they are the expert in this field and are more than willing to help you with your design and your planning process. If you do have any questions, you can reach out to them, or you can call us at 888-211-6482. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.